Good day, everyone. My name is Ronald Galicia Jr., and now I will discuss the types of computers and the difference of hardware and software. Supercomputer, a high advanced and powerful computer system designed to perform complex calculation and process massive amounts of data at extremely high speed. Desktop in computing refers to the main screen or workspace on a computer where icons, files, folders, and the application are displayed. Mini computer or mid-range computer emerged in the 1960s, a smaller, less powerful alternative to mainframe. They were used to scientific research, industrial control, business application, and servers in organization. Difference between computer hardware and software. Computer hardware refers to the physical components of a computer such as the CPU, RAM, hard drive, and peripherals. Computer software consists of the programs and applications that run on the hardware, including operating system, applications, and utilities. Hardware refers to the computer tangible components or delivery system that stores and run the written instruction provided by the software. The software is the intangible part of the device that lets us the user interact with the hardware and command it to perform specific tasks. Here are the three types of input device. Number one, keyboard, used to input text and command. Number two, mouse, used to control the cursor and interact with screen elements. Number three, microphone, capture audio input for voice recognition or recording. Those devices allow users to interact with computers and other systems. Here are the three types of output device. Number one, monitor, display visual output such as a text, image, and videos. Number two, printer, produce physical copies of digital documents and image. Number three, speaker, output sound for music, audio, alert, or spoken in interaction. Those devices allow users to receive data from computers and other systems. That's all. Thank you for watching.